Okay. These bearings suck. You know, this is a phone, so I don't know, that one right there. That's a nasty puppy. Got rust on it. There's another one. Corrosion and crap. These are brand new motors. Okay? Brand new motors. Brand new. All bad. Look at this. You can see the rust on this one. Around the rim. They're supposed to be sealed bearings, but they're not sealed. Okay? They ain't sealed at all. At all. No. These bearings are sealed. That's what a sealed bearing looks like. Okay? It's a quality bearing. This, you can clearly see the gap. Not sealed. You can see the cage ring. Not sealed. Not at all. Talk about crappy advertising. That really sucks. Really sucks. You know, for the guys who bought these motors, don't know what I know about taking them apart, checking things, just wondering what the hell happened. They're checking their ESCs and they're thinking the problem, well, it can't be the motors because the motors are brand new. Yeah, well, think again, buddy. Think again. Y'all be careful out there, okay? Things that people don't tell you.